Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode with me, Shashank Godappa. And in today's episode, I am going to tell you how you can get really good sneakers or shoes or even amazing branded shoes, which are Puma shoes, with maybe 20% discount, 10% discount, or sometimes even 40% discount. But I'm going to show you all of that today, how you can do that with credit cards. And also stay till the end. I'll tell you another secret hack where you can get a massive discount of 10,000 rupees as well. So let me show you all of this in today's video. Stay with me one by one. Let me guide you through this. First, let's go into the next segment. Now guys, there are two ways to do this. Okay, let me show you both the ways to do this. One is you do it directly with Puma, and one you do it according to Tata Click. So these are two options that you have, right? Let me show you the first option. Now the first option is basically if you have HDFC credit cards, you go to Smart Buy, click on Instant Vouchers, View All. Very important to understand. Once you click on view all over here, you come to a website called Gifter, and over Gifter go to Puma and actually search for Puma. Now this offer is only applicable offline, not online, only offline. So for the online purchases this won't work, but you basically get 5% cashback and 5x reward points on any kind of Puma vouchers that you get. So the first thing we're going to do is, boss, let's go find some good shoes that we want from Puma, right? So let's do one thing. Let's go here. I like motorsport a lot, so let me choose motorsport. Let me check the Mercedes editions that are there right now. Okay, not here. It is definitely there. But let me just go check some nice shoes that I want to buy. Now, you would see that automatically on the Puma website, there is an end of season sale going on, which you get 40% discount straight away, right? Now, these discounts are usually replicated offline as well. Might not be 40, but definitely will be some kind of a discount offline as well. But you can go to your nearest Puma store and find the offline discount also. Now, let's say I want to buy this, right? If I want to buy this, I'm already getting it at 5,399 off. So I will go to the offline store and pick the same shoes up. But what will I do first? First, I will come here to Smart Buy, choose my credit card, either Infinia, Diners or thing. Let me check Diners here. And if I do that, let's say how much is the shoes? The shoes is approximately 5,399. So let me choose the amount I need, right? 5,399. Let me do 5,500. Actually, let me not do that. Let me do 5,250, right? Remaining I'll pay by cash. So if I do this right now and let me remove my old vouchers, you see that I'm automatically saving 510 rupees over here, and my net affecting buying price comes to 4602 for the same Puma exact shoes that I want to buy. So you automatically save around 500 rupees to 600 rupees on this exact shoe right now, and then you pay the normal amount. But this is only applicable offline, and this is for Diners Black. If you have super premium credit cards, obviously your discount goes up quite significantly. As you see, your value of reward points goes up to 850, which is massive, right? Instead of 5,000, now you have to only pay 850 rupees off straight away you get for the same amount of shoes, which is quite significant. Almost a 20% discount over here, somewhere around 16 to 17% discount you get straight away. Now this is according to how you would want to do it on Puma, right? Over and above, you get this with this 40% off. Now I did something very similar. I basically ordered something which was a Porsche Legacy Neocat Sports that I wanted to give. This was a Secret Santa gift. The ideal price was 6,999, but because of the offer that was going on, I got it for 3,400, right? Literally for 3,400 I got a shoe, which was crazy, right? So this is something that I really liked. Now the second option that you can do this, let's say you don't want to do it from here, you want to do it from Axis Bank, you do it through Tata Click. Now Tata Click, again, there are massive offers on Tata Click as well, right? So if you click on Tata Click over here, there are online options that you can redeem. Let's say you don't want to go offline, you want to do it online, then again you can either do it through Tata Click over here. You can choose your credit card and do it here. Again, you'll get the same amount of discount. You get approximately 10 to 15% discount on Infinia. You almost get 20% almost every single time, 16 to 17%. But on Diners Black, as you can see, you get around 10% discount over here, right? And if you're an Axis Bank user, you get 3.5% cashback or 3x reward points. I would take the 3x reward points here. Same thing you need to do. You need to buy this over here. You need to either buy it with 3x reward points or you buy the voucher here. After you buy the voucher, you need to basically go very simple. You need to go to Tata Click, right? And once you go to Tata Click, there is something called gift card. And then you say add it here and you choose your gift card and add it here. Once you choose your gift card and add it here, let's search for the Puma shoes if it's there here, right? Let me just search it here. Something similar. Okay, it is here. So let's say I want to click on this. This is approximately 3,400. This is a different shoe, but now you see you get other banking offers here as well, and you can add your basic gift card over here and you get a further discount for it, right? So this is where you basically add all your shoes. And if you want the exact same shoe, let's say we want to find the Drift Cat shoes, right? Let's see if we can search the Drift Cat shoes over here. No, it's not showing it very clearly. Okay, Mercedes shoes, let's just check here. right? This is the black Formula 1 drift cat shoes that is here. Let me check if there is something similar. It's something, I think, somewhere similar to this, right? I think this is the one. No, this is not the exact one, but this is something very similar. So you choose whether you want to buy it from PUMA at a massive discount, or if you're getting something similar off on Tata Click. Both options I'm giving you right now, where you can actually choose and decide what you want to do, whether you want a 10-15% discount. But wait, it's not just on shoes. Did you understand? You can buy anything from Tata Click. You can literally buy anything from Tata Click and get the massive discount as well. What is the massive discount? 3.5% cashback straight up, or 3x reward points. I would go for the 3x reward points, or you get a straight up 10% discount minimum even on normal cards. And if you choose a Millennia credit card, you still get approximately 8% discount on Tata Click on any purchase that you do, which is so beautiful, which is superb, right? So this is how you save a lot of points. Now coming to the secret hack, let me tell you how you can get 10,000 rupees worth of Tata Click vouchers as well. Okay, coming back. Now the next thing I'm going to tell you, which is the secret hack, which is something that gets you a massive benefit with a particular credit card, and this is called the Axis Magnus credit card. Now if you buy the Axis Magnus credit card, the joining fee for this credit card is 10,000 plus tax, which is approximately 10,000 and 18% GST that is there, right? But when you join Axis Magnus, they give you a Tata Click voucher worth 10,000, which is, you can take that and do whatever shopping you want. Now even though they give you 10,000 rupees voucher, but we get everything at 10% off right now. All our purchases are at 10% off. So basically we can assume that the cost of voucher is 9,000. So you basically get Axis Bank Magnus card at maybe 2,000 to 3,000 rupees extra that you have to pay. You get that card and you can take the Tata Click voucher and do any kind of shopping. Now when you do a lot of shopping on the Tata Click, or even if you use your Axis Bank credit card and somehow hit that 1 lakh milestone, you get 25,000 edge reward points, which translates into some really good points which you can use for your flight tickets, and even get business class flight tickets when you travel abroad. And they have partners with multiple different people, right? So these are really good hacks that you should use. Anything that you buy from today onwards, anything that you feel like buying from today onwards, you should be like, Shashank, tell me how to get discount, boss. I want 5 to 10% discount minimum. Even on lower cards you get 10% discount, and on higher cards you get up to 18% discount or 16% discount, right? So you need to think now, every time you purchase, you go up and check, okay, is there an instant voucher that I can use where I can get 10 to 15% cashback? Small things like this, you save a lot of money. Now, apart from this, I want to tell you another thing. Every time you get any kind of credit card, whether it's an HDFC card, Axis card, SBI cashback card, any card that you get, try to upload it immediately on the Cred app, mainly because on the Cred app, it'll tell you how much your bills are outstanding. It will also give you a full summary of your credit card. It also gives you all the offers that are currently available on your credit card, so you can get more and more discounts and save a lot of money. And the most important feature is your credit score feature, because it literally tells you, Shashank, why has your credit score gone up and why has your credit score gone down in a particular month, if it has actually done so, right? So I would suggest you do that very quickly. You need to have a credit score of 750 to get into the Cred app, but you can definitely get that done as well. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're planning to buy any new shoes, or if your friends are planning to buy any new shoes, I would suggest share this with them so that they can get at least 5 to 10 to 15% discount if they're super premium credit cards. And even if you're not buying with your own credit card, let's say you're using a parent's credit card, save their money, no? Save 10% for them as well by using these small and simple and very good techniques and hacks. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, stay tuned for the next video, because now I'm going to tell you how you can buy a really good big TV, right, and get maximum discount on TVs and electronic products as well. And I know you want to know this because electronic products is something we all buy. I'm going to tell you 3 different cards that you can use here to get massive discount. Okay, this is me, Shashank, signing off. Take care. See you guys. Bye.